कैसे हैं
हाय।
आप?
वो आप कैसे हो?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर
तो
रियलिटी रानीज। कैसी हैं आप? कैसा लगा आपको अपना रियलिटी रानी? हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स?
the experience was surreal in the sense where obviously when you are in the normal world, right? आप कभी सोचते नहीं हो कि you are capable of doing this या आप ये कर सकते हो. This is a mind changing thing where you actually know your truest potential. मतलब आपको ऐसा नॉर्मल लाइफ में आप सोचते हैं अच्छा नहीं मुझे ऐसे बिना तो कभी नहीं चलेगा. I need a clean washroom. I need this. I need that. You can't ever imagine living without these things. But to go there and do it and actually succeed doing tasks with the non-luxury things, it was amazing.
वाज अमेजिंग। तो मतलब अभी मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड काइंड ऑफ आप कर सकते हो आराम से।
मैं तो बड़ी हुई थी देखते देखते एंड इट वाज व्हेन यू लुक एट इट यू आर लाइक हम तो कर लेंगे ये तो इतना आसान है ये तो मैं कर लेती बट व्हेन इट वाज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग आई रियलाइज हाउ डिफिकल्ट दैट इज लाइक यू इट्स नॉट इजी टू बी डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ योर नेसेसिटीज and then feel like okay and very fit to do any task. It wasn't easy.
जैसे हमने बहुत सारा जो है देखा, ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स देखे इस शो के
Yeah.
अंदर। हमने देखा कि कई ऐसे बड़े बड़े खिलाड़ी भी आए जो कि रियल लाइफ में भी रियलिटी क्वींस है। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ राखी सावंत की। हाउ वाज द
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स विद हर?
I was really surprised that she came, and I feel like हम जब राखी show में enter करी तब we thought that she was a contestant, so we were scared because I have grown up seeing her. She's a queen of reality. If she enters, that means वो जीत रही है. So
राइट।
हमारे दिमाग में ये था कि अब तो why are we even fighting? Because if she's here, then we are not needed. Because she can give content, she can do tasks, she can speak her mind out. हमारी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So it was also like it was a really good experience in the sense you grow up seeing certain stars to then like be right next to them. It was so amazing.
From a supermodel contest to a reality show like this, what
Yeah.
kind of differences is this? What do you want to say
Yeah, supermodel is pretty simple, right? You look pretty. It's not simple per se, but like it's easier, right? Like you
as
dress up.
comparison to this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. You have to dress up. You have to walk a certain way. You pose, and your job is kind of done. This was like ना तो हम ड्रेस अप कर पा रहे हैं ना हम मेकअप कर पा रहे हैं ना कुछ भी नहीं बस मतलब वी आई थिंक आई बाय डे like 4 or 5 we are not like mind fogged because हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है एक तो इतनी गर्मी है see girls are used to a certain like we like our
Right.
nice
Bring.
malmalka beds and everything yeah exactly we had nothing so plus we did not have our bags for 3 days it
Okay.
was it was a different journey but मजा आया मतलब I feel like life में हर चीज कभी कभी ना कभी तो ट्राई करनी चाहिए
ओके। और वरुण सूद कैसे हैं? क्योंकि मैंने कई खिलाड़ियों से बातचीत करी आप ही के साथ के तो।
yeah
और वरुण सूद का उनका नेचर है कि ही इज अ क्यूट बॉय। वो ऑन स्क्रीन भी वैसे ही, ऑफ स्क्रीन भी सेम है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है।
I
व्हाट इज
feel
योर
like
ओपिनियन ऑन दिस?
Varun Sood is a great host, firstly, and secondly, he's a great motivator. I feel like काफी task में he could see us give up. You need that extra push, not by someone like who's doing the task with you, but by someone who's there and watching you and saying, you can do this, you got this, you got this. कर लोगे आप. That is very much needed जब आप एक survival show कर रहे हो. And I feel like that was constantly there from his side. So apart from him being really cute and a chocolate boy or whatever people have been saying, he's a great host and he's a great human being at the end of the day.
ओके।
Yeah.
हमने जो है इस बार रियलिटी रानीज में बिग बॉस के कंटेस्टेंट्स को देखा है। मतलब
Yeah.
अर्चना गौतम जो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर कर आई। यहाँ पर आपके साथ कैसा रहा उनका एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू से अबाउट हर?
I think like see again Big Boss is a completely different concept, right? You're not in a jungle, you're not in like sleeping on the floor. You're actually in a
राइट।
house when you are cooking, you have AC, you have everything. Obviously यहाँ पे झगड़े होते हैं but वो अलग तरीके के होते हैं यहाँ पे I feel like आप इतने heated रहते हो constantly. It's very quick to fight but I feel like जब आप एक सर्वाइवल शो करने आए हो ना तो आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि आप सर्वाइवल शो करने आए हो यू आर नॉट हियर फॉर कंफर्ट यू आर हियर टू पुश योर बाउंड्रीज राइट एग्जैक्टली आई फील लाइक हर हेड स्पेस वाज कि मुझे लग्जरी नहीं मिली बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट ऑफ द शो इट्स कॉल्ड रियलिटी रानीज ऑफ द जंगल नॉट लाइक ऑफ लग्जरी सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट आई थॉट
ओके। तो
was
लाइक kind of a cold vibe with her, or are you friends with her?
I think we'll go with cold vibes. I don't
Oh,
think we are the same people. I think we
okay,
both have very different pathways. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
It's not,
जैसे
no
हमने
hate to or something, but
जी टिकट टू फिनाले में जीत कर आप आगे आ गई, और हम जो है देखेंगे एक ट्विस्ट भी आएगा. सो व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस? मतलब क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप इस बारे में?
see, जब मैंने ये शो के लिए हाँ बोला था, I had
जी.
zero hopes in terms of, see, I've also, apart from like modeling, I've been in corporate for the past 3-4 years, right? So I've been very off the industry, like I'm, chilling with my corporate job and everything. So I never firstly expected कि मैं इतना, I thought 2 दिन टिकूंगी, max to max एक task करूंगी, then maybe, like, um, ठीक है, I'll do it and I'll test my waters कि अच्छा इतना power तो बचा हुआ है. To reach the finale was such a shocking thing. I had to shave my, hair off and everything. So I played it smart, I feel. But I had forgotten who I am. The show really reminded me of what I'm capable of and like what I can do in life.
ओके. कौन सा टास्क आपको सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट लगा था, जिसमें आपका था कि भैया अब तो हालत ही खराब है, अब तो मैं कर ही नहीं, मतलब मैं इतू सा भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी उसको?
I think the cage wala task. I don't know if you've seen it
Oh,
on.
cage wala, same the answer given by Irina also. That
Yes,
cage wala.
yes. It was. इरीना तो पहले निकली है. मैं
जी.
end में निकली हूँ with the contestant who got out.
Right.
Yeah, I think it was really difficult in the sense because mentally also I got really missed because मेरी टीम ने एक प्लान बनाया था that no one pulled through. तो मैं एंड तक अकेली थी. My priority is always like गेम गेम होता है बट एक ह्यूमैनिटी नाम की चीज होनी चाहिए आप में. देयर वर पीपल हु वर इंजर्ड वेरी बैडली, वर लिंपिंग. प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए केज टास्क में कि उनको पहले जाने तो एंड देन वी कैन ऑल फाइट इट आउट, राइट?
Right.
None of them did it. And by the time I was there in the end, I was exhausted. Matlab, there was a point in the task where I was in the chokehold and I was like, you know what, why am I doing this? I can just like let her go and let her win. Like, okay, ठीक है, क्या ही हो जाएगा. But yeah, that was like scary. And I was getting choked underwater, waves ऊपर जा रही है. So
बाप रे.
yeah, scary.
पेरेंट्स क्या कह रहे थे? मतलब पेरेंट्स तो डेफिनेटली काफी ज्यादा वरीड हो रहे होंगे जब वो ये सब देख रहे होंगे कि बाप रे, जयश्री क्या क्या कर कर आ गई है.
No, my parents actually see I've been into sports for the longest time ever, right? So they've not
Okay.
seen me as a soft person. They know how I am. Their reactions are, तूने यहाँ पे इसको ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला? तू मुंडवा ही देती बाल.
Oh,
मतलब my dad would call me and the first thing like when he saw like my hair was cut, he said पूरा ही कटवा देती. Why did you wait for it? Like they are like that. They motivate me कि तुझे और करना चाहिए था. You are strong enough to do more. So that was the
okay.
point. Yeah, they're not like कि वो मेरी बच्ची को लग रहा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay. Jayashri, after this, what next stop is Big Boss or Fear Factor, खतरों के खिलाड़ी?
Why not all three, honestly? Like, why does there have to be one thing only? I can do all
Uh,
three.
now which one
Yeah.
will you choose the first? I'm talking about.
I mean, लाइन में जाते हैं ना सब वैसे भी. एक के बाद एक ही होगा. शूट तो मुझे बाद बाद ही करना है. चलेगा. I'll figure it out. दोनों ऐसे I know simultaneously कुछ शूट नहीं होता.
अच्छा,
So
so you are open for Big Boss also and as well as खतरों के खिलाड़ी
yes,
also.
because I can do See, I feel like Big Boss is obviously a little physical in terms of tasks, but it's a very strong mental game. I think this show taught me how to be mentally strong in spaces where I don't have anything.
Okay.
So I'm open to it.
Oh wow.
Open to it.
Wow. I wish you all the very best for that.
Thank
Maybe
you.
perhaps in season 20 or 21 you will be there.
Hopefully, let's see. I'm hoping.
Wow.
But
Let's
yeah.
manifest this also.
Yeah, I will. मैं vision board बनाऊंगी and I'll be like, Big Boss. I'll sleep on
Jayashri,
it.
are you
Yeah.
following season 19 Big Boss?
Yeah, my
What?
family is very strongly a Big Boss household. 9 बजे डॉट बैठा जाता है घर पे एकदम टीवी
Oh,
में. बिग बॉस के
so
जो
you
भी
are
हो रहे हैं.
liking the season. What is your feedback on the season?
I'm really enjoying it. There's good enough drama. कल ही I think there was a fight between
कल तो
फरहाना
बहुत बड़ा
and
ड्रामा.
Adil. यार वो तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा यार. मैं तो घर तोड़ फोड़ देती अगर मेरे मम्मी पापा का कोई लेटर फाड़ देता तो
Letter.
I would have killed. Like you can't, there are certain things that you can't do or should not do. but it was
Right,
really
right.
dramatic. मजा आ रहा है देखने में. Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite player? Can I ask?
Yeah,
क्या
I
किसको चाहती है आपकी वो विन करे जीते?
I feel like I don't know, like people who speak more tend to win the show. And I don't have a specific favorite person, but I feel like Basir and Amal both are doing very well in the show. Yeah.
Okay. ओके ओके. सो जयश्री, नेक्स्ट हम आपको और किन किन प्रोजेक्ट्स में देख सकते हैं? ऑडियंस जानना चाहती है कि आपके और क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट आ सकते हैं.
I am hoping, like, I will let you know. I think, you should never plan it out in a way where, acha, yahi karna hai. Go with the flow.
ओके.
The show was something that I never expected I'll do. It came and I said yes, and I did it. So I don't like to plan out, like, some people like to have that layout ready. कि इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है. I'm not that kind of person. I think
ओके.
God will know what I'm doing and what I need to do.
एंड आर यू ओपन फॉर फिक्शनल शोज अपार्ट
Yeah,
फ्रॉम
yeah, for
रियलिटी शो?
sure. Why not?
ओके ओके.
Yeah, I've been like, I've been a dancer, I've learned music, so I've done a lot of things in life. Why not? Like, I never say no to anything. हर चीज करना चाहिए. If you're bad at it, then don't do it. But I don't think I'll be bad at it.
ऑल द वेरी
Yeah.
बेस्ट जयश्री. एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली होप कि आप
Yeah.
जो है जो चाहती हैं वो आपको मिल जाए. थैंक यू सो
Oh,
मच
I
फॉर योर
hope
टाइम.
so. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was really nice talking to you.
सेम हियर. बाय.
Yeah. Bye.